Hello guys, I am Viraj Sharma. Want to prank people using sound or especially parents? So today I have something really cool and exciting weird noise creator. This. So this is basically my code to create a weird noise and then scare people. So here I use sound device and NumPy. So let me explain you about sound device. It is basically a library through which you can play and create different kinds of sounds. And NumPy which converts the normal Python arrays to NumPy array. The duration is 1 second. The fs is 4100. Let me explain you a bit about how does sound work in computer. So sound basically works by so sound basically works in computer by representing number of volts, by basically representing the NumPy array with volts. Now let me tell you what is it. So let me tell you how does sound work in computer. So whenever you speak anything, so it turns it into analog volts, and those volts are normalized and captured by sound device in NumPy array. And in speaker, the normalized NumPy array of volts NumPy array of volts gets converted to analog signal by ADC chip, and then the speaker plays it. So let me tell you about this. So this basically creates positive volts mean that push the diaphragm of the speaker forward, and negative volt means push the diaphragm backward. And basically the array represents the the rate of change or movement of diaphragm. So whenever we create this NumPy array, you can see that. So here we are creating NumPy array of 0.9 volt multiplied by 1000. Basically 1000 times 0.9 would be repeated, and then minus 0.9. 1000 times where 0.9 would be represented in NumPy array, meaning that 1000 times 0.9 volt, meaning the diaphragm would be forward with 0.9 volts for 1000 times. So basically it will not change, but after 1000 times it will change back to minus 0.9. And here we are calculating sample rate and to duration. So basically sample rate is that how much signal to supply in 1 second. Basically your sample rate is 44100. Sample is basically the number of volts which are represented in array. So 44100 is that how many volts to send to speaker in 1 second. So it's divided by 2 and divided by 1000. It's basically then array is more expanded. This just creates one oscillation, but here it expands it into the duration you want, and then it turns it into NumPy array. And because of these brackets, the array becomes 2D. So here we are turning array into one dimension, which is also called mono. Stereo is two-dimensional array of sound where two channels are there of the volts. One channel has 1 volt and other channel has other volts. It's for 2 here, but here I am using mono, very simple one. So let me run this code. It will create so weird sound. You can enter any duration, 2 seconds, 1 second, and then you can scare away anyone if you want. So if you want to do pranks with parents, or take a revenge, or prank someone talking to you with phone, like the house got short circuited or some speaker or something damaged, so let me show you. Surprise! Weird sound. Now I can set it for 1 second or 2-3 seconds. See, don't you think that it creates such a weird sound and can scare away anyone? Thank you for watching my channel. If you want to watch more channel like this, you can watch. You can you if you want to watch more videos, subscribe my channel.